Before we dive in, let's take a moment to meet the tool that will be our companion throughout this journey, Google Gemini 3.5. This platform is designed to be your AI building buddy, guiding you every step of the way as you create your own smart agents. Gemini 3.5 is Google's latest AI platform, and it's made for everyone. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about AI, this tool opens the door for anyone to build intelligent agents, even if you've never written a single line of code before. The interface is clean, modern, and incredibly easy to navigate. Everything is laid out in a way that makes sense, so you won't feel lost or overwhelmed. But why should you choose Gemini 3.5 over other platforms? For starters, it's built with beginners in mind. Google has designed it so you can simply drag and drop elements and type out what you want your agent to do in plain language. No complicated programming required, just your ideas and a bit of creativity. You don't need to be a programmer or have any technical background. All you need is a vision for what you want your AI agent to accomplish, and Gemini 3.5 will help you bring it to life. Another big reason to trust this platform is Google's reputation. With years of experience in building safe, reliable, and secure AI tools, you can feel confident that your projects are in good hands. Security and privacy are top priorities here. Plus, Gemini 3.5 comes packed with helpful guides, step-by-step tutorials, and hints. If you ever get stuck or have a question, there's always support available to help you move forward and learn as you go. And perhaps the best part, it's completely free to try. You can experiment, explore new ideas, and learn at your own pace, all without spending a single dollar. There's no risk, just the opportunity to grow your skills. So whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your knowledge, Gemini 3.5 is the perfect place to begin your AI journey. Let's get started and see what you can create. To use Gemini 3.5, you'll need a Google account. Most people already have one. If you use Gmail, YouTube, or Google Drive, you're set. If not, signing up is easy and quick. First, go to google.com and click Sign In at the top right. Then click Create Account. You'll fill in your name, pick a username, and make a password. Try to choose a password that's easy to remember but hard for others to guess. Next, you'll be asked for a recovery email or phone number. This is just in case you forget your password later. Fill in the rest of the form, agree to Google's terms, and click Next. That's it. Your account is ready. Make sure you write down your username and password somewhere safe. You'll need them to sign in to Gemini 3.5 and any other Google service. Now it's time to meet Gemini 3.5. Open your web browser and go to gemini.google.com. If you're not signed in, enter your Google account details. You'll land on the Gemini home screen. Look for a button or link that says Start New Project or Create Agent. Click it. Google may ask you to accept some terms or watch a quick intro video. Go ahead. These steps make sure you're ready to use the tool. Gemini 3.5 works in your browser, so you don't need to download anything. The layout is simple. On the left, you'll see menus for your projects and agents. In the center, you'll see your workspace. This is where the magic happens. Take a moment to explore. Click around and see what menus are available. Don't worry, you can't break anything just by looking. Let's start your first project. Click the New Project button. Give your project a name that makes sense to you, like My First AI Agent. You can always change it later. Now you'll see a blank page or maybe a simple template. This is your project workspace. Here, you'll create and manage your AI agents. Think of it like a notebook where you keep all your ideas and experiments. The next step is to add an agent. Click Add Agent or a similar button. You may be asked to choose a type. Pick Basic Agent for now. This keeps things simple as you learn. Your agent will need a name. Pick something fun. How about HelperBot or Taskmaster? Once you've named it, your agent is ready for its first instruction. Let's walk through building a real agent together, step by step, so you can see just how simple and powerful this process can be. Imagine you're a busy student or a professional juggling multiple tasks, and you want an agent to remind you about your homework or important deadlines. When you open the agent setup screen, you'll notice a dedicated box where you can enter your instructions or specific tasks you want the agent to handle. All you have to do is type in something like, "Remind me to do my math homework every Monday at 6 p.m. You can be as detailed or as simple as you like. Gemini 3.5 is designed to understand these plain English commands so you don't have to worry about using any special language or technical jargon. The system automatically translates your words into a set of actions that the agent can perform, making the whole process seamless and intuitive. The best part? You don't need to know any code at all. There's no programming required, just your ideas and instructions. You can even speak your instructions if you prefer, or break down your needs step by step, and the agent will follow along. Once you've set up your task, you can test your agent right away. Just click the test or run button to see it in action. Gemini will instantly show you a summary of what your agent would do, so you can review and make sure everything looks right. If it works as expected, you'll see a reminder pop up or a confirmation message letting you know your task is set and ready to go. Want to try something different? For example, maybe you'd like the agent to send you a joke every morning to start your day with a smile. Just type, "Send me a funny joke at 8 a.m. every day," and test it again to see how it works. With just a few clicks and simple instructions, you'll discover how easy and flexible it is to make your agent do all sorts of helpful things, tailored exactly to your needs. Your agent can do more than just one thing. It's designed to help you with a variety of tasks, making your daily routine smoother and more efficient. Let's start by adding a few simple tasks to your agent's list. This is a great way to see how flexible and helpful your digital assistant can be. For example, you might want your agent to check the weather every morning and then email you the forecast before you start your day. This way, you're always prepared for what's ahead. To do this, simply type, "Each morning, check the weather and email me the forecast at 7:30 a.m. Clear instructions like this help your agent understand exactly what you want. You can give your agent as many instructions as you like, covering everything from reminders to daily routines. The more you add, the more helpful your agent becomes. Just remember to keep your instructions short and clear. Simple language helps your agent avoid confusion and perform tasks accurately. If you want to get even more specific, you can add, "If it's going to rain, remind me to take an umbrella." This way, your agent can help you plan for unexpected changes in the weather. The agent will handle all these tasks automatically, so you don't have to remember every detail yourself. It's like having a personal assistant who never forgets. With Gemini 3.5, you can organize your tasks into clear, logical steps. This makes it easier for your agent to follow your instructions in the right order. By breaking down your routine, your agent knows exactly what to do first, second, and so on, ensuring nothing gets missed. For more complex routines, use bullet points or numbers to list each step. This helps your agent keep track of multiple tasks and complete them efficiently. For example, you could say, 1. Check my calendar for meetings. 2. Email me today's schedule so I know what's coming up. 3. Remind me to take a break at noon to stay refreshed and focused. As you add more instructions, keep testing your agent to make sure everything works as expected. This helps you fine-tune your setup and get the most out of your assistant. Testing regularly helps you catch mistakes early and see how your agent performs in real-life situations, so you can rely on it every day. Everyone makes mistakes when starting out. Here are a few common ones and how to fix them. First, sometimes instructions aren't clear enough. If your agent doesn't do what you expect, try rewriting your instructions in simpler language. Another issue is forgetting to test after each change. Always use the test button. This helps you spot problems before they happen. If something's not working, check for typos or missing steps. Sometimes, the agent might not understand a request. Break big tasks into smaller steps. For example, instead of organize my life, say create a daily to-do list and send me reminders for each task. If you get stuck, check Gemini 3.5's built-in help or community forums. There are lots of other beginners out there ready to help. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Once you've built your first agent, the fun really starts. Gemini 3.5 has many advanced features to explore. You can connect your agent to your calendar, your smart home devices, or even your favorite apps. Try experimenting with different kinds of agents. Maybe build one that keeps track of your fitness goals or helps you manage your budget. The more you try, the more you'll learn. Read the Gemini 3.5 documentation for tips on using advanced settings. Look for online tutorials or join a community group. You'll find lots of ideas and support as you grow your skills. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. The key is to keep trying, keep experimenting, and never stop learning. Your next AI adventure is just around the corner.